What's the difference between dealerships and independent repair shops? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So first of all, there are two different types of dealerships. There are new car dealerships, which are like your manufacturers like Chevrolet, Toyota, Subaru, all that kind of stuff. And then you have what are called dealerships, but they're used car dealerships. So they're not new cars, they're used. And then you have independent repair shops like Mercie J. As far as differences go, the new car dealers primarily only work on their type of vehicle. The used cars are mostly going to take care of the cars that they're selling, and independents will sometimes specialize, sometimes not. But at the end of the day, you might think the technicians are different, but honestly, in every shop, you're going to have different levels of technicians. And so in a dealership, you might have a guy who's factory trained and really experienced, but you might have a very green guy as well, so anything in between. Same thing here. We have certified master technicians and we have apprentices. So in some respects, there really isn't much difference between a new car dealer and an independent repair shop. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.